สามชัยนะคะนัฐการจังดีสุภาพิษคือแผ่นนี้นะคะแล้วก็เป็นแผ่นนี้แล้ว
ไลฟ์สดนัดคอร์เนอร์
1-2ครับ
video lang.
Specific skills students master is recognizing personal behaviors previously. Activities activate prior knowledge, key vocabulary.
After this seminar, our lunch will be held at the restaurant there. So, and at the end of the session, I will flash a QR code for you to do the fill up form for the certificates and also for the feedback. So, at the end of Yan House session. And by the way, and after that, is it okay to introduce to you our company profile? This is
Education Solutions, TESS Thailand. Established on October 1st, 2017, TESS has been dedicated to delivering innovative and comprehensive educational solutions to schools, educators, and learners across Thailand. With the mission to devise comprehensive solutions in the field of English language teaching, we provide a full range of products and services designed to meet the needs of modern education. While our focus is on the integration of digital technology in the classroom, we also offer textbooks, online placement tests, webinars, and teacher training programs, empowering teachers to teach effectively and students to learn with confidence. TESS Thailand proudly partners with some of the world's most trusted and respected publishers, including eFuture, EduPub, Richmond, McGraw-Hill, Alston, Elliott, Global ELT, Express Publishing, and Asta, along with Live ABC. Together, we deliver innovative, high-quality educational materials that make teaching more effective and learning more engaging. At TESS Thailand, we go beyond providing materials. We create experiences that empower. Every October, we host our annual Maximizing event, where educators from across the country gather to explore new innovations and effective teaching strategies. We also organize in-house training, school English camps, and comprehensive product training courses, ensuring teachers are fully equipped to bring lessons to life. TESS Thailand takes pride in contributing to the development of English language teaching in Thailand and the region. Through innovation, expertise, and passion, we aim to continue growing as one of the leading education companies in Thailand. Guiding TESS Thailand towards success is our Managing Director, Mr. Surya Suksingh, whose vision and leadership continue to inspire excellence. Here are our product managers and sales representatives, proudly representing each region of Thailand, Central and Bangkok region.
So that's our sales representative here at Central and Bangkok.
Eastern region. Northern region.
So all made by AI.
Northeastern region. Southern region.
So that's my area, Southern region.
Together, they form the heart of TESS Thailand. Working closely with schools, teachers, and educational partners, at TESS Thailand, we believe that education is more than teaching. It's about transformation, opportunity, and growth. TESS Thailand, empowering education, inspiring excellence.
Here, welcoming you, Mr. Yan Hao. who will share his insights teaching differentiated instruction with BISAC competency. So let's give him a warm round of applause. So is it okay to start early?
Yeah.
The answer and then which number is smaller and why. So applied and cognitive. So we use the scenario where you are in a supermarket and then you get to a supermarket and then all of your grocery is priced up to a specific number, which is
Here's our snack. Oh, snack time. It's time for a break. Ovaltine. Dinner. Lunch. We're having our lunch. Kaon mo. Ay, libre ra ba nun? After nag-workshop, oy, buy one take one, oh. Wallet. Pila? Uy. Petloy. Dili na. 800 na kay 1,000 man siya. Mahal. After sa workshop, nagimig Ayutthaya City Park. Kuan mangguna siya, sana siya? Mangguna siya. Ihad yung course is kuan. Dili. Kanang pila man ay price? Pila man ay price?
1,650, but you can buy one take one.
So tag kuan mo. Mga tag 700 or 600. 700. Ay, nadiri ray, oh. Drawing ray. Oh, lantawan ni mga bago. Kanang mga hilig diag mga dagan sulat. Cute siya. Buy one get one free tanan di ayo. Pati ang belt. Sushi. Sushi ba di pa?
Syrup ba? Mga fruit.
Relo pa, oh. 490.
Tanaw sa mga cashew.
Cashew. Cashew pa. Nakagi naman good ko.
Kung makatapin sa hila.
Ang gagunit, kanang lang magpalit, ha? Kanang kinsay gagunit dia, paliton jud. Sa tawagan nila touch. Touch me not. Touch move di ay. Touch move din tawagan na. Salamin pa. Shirt. Pao, t-shirt. Dagan kay ka t-shirt.
Lalaki, ano?
Lalaki. Nay, pang laki.
Ang ganahan na po ng t-shirt mo akong suoton, Manggot.
Oh, 100 lang oh, slacks.
Ako, bugay na. Saan ko na.
Check ko na yung mga snack.
Just 100. Panglaag ba? Oo, nails. Dili gakuha na nako hanging na. Dili kay go.
Hindi mo na ang na. Yung height na.
Kung ka naman sa iyong
Ito ang style.
nan. Shirt. Pao, t-shirt. Tagan kay ka t-shirt.
Lalaki, ano?
Lalaki. Nay, pang laki.
Ang ganahan na po ng t-shirt mo akong suoton, Manggot.
Oh, 100 lang oh, slacks.
Ako, bugay na. Saan ko na.
Check ko na yung mga snack.
Just 100. Panglaag ba? Oo, nails. Dili gakuha na nako hanging na. Dili kay go.
Hindi mo na ang na. Yung height na.
Kung ka naman sa iyong
Ito ang style.
nan.